Hey, I'm doing the truffle shuffle because we're making truffles today. Eggnog truffles to be specific. So stick around, like, share, subscribe, but let's get to it. All right, first things first. On our eggnog truffle, what we need, a double boiler. This is a really simple, easy recipe, but take the time. You need a double boiler, just a pot, water, metal bowl. It's because we're working with chocolate and you don't want to burn your chocolate, so you can't put it on direct heat. So the first ingredient is 2 tablespoons of butter. You can get that. We're basically making kind of like a ganache. And then to that, we have 2 cups of our chocolate, well, white chocolate chips. And instead of like a cream, we're replacing the cream with some eggnog. And we found a really good eggnog too.
Yeah, it's delicious.
And to that, we have a tablespoon of a good dark rum. I do like Kraken, but you can use whatever rum you like, or you can be like, no rum. It's fine, it will still taste amazing. So some people don't drink, that's perfectly a-okay. And you may want your kids eating these, so, you know. And to that, a little bit of cinnamon. And then to finish that little mix off, a good old sprinkle of nutmeg. Oof. Tell you what, if you could smell this, you'd want to dive into this chocolate.
You can smell it. All you gotta do is make it.
Exactly. And so the next part is, although it's becoming a trend that I'm always doing all the heavy stirring around here.
I don't know why, I couldn't tell you.
That's why my one arm is giant. But, so we're just gonna stir this up so you can get it all nice and smooth and melted. And it's gonna take about 3 to 5 minutes or so, but that's okay. You just wanna keep on working it because you wanna get that butter and the nutmeg, or not nutmeg, you don't want the nutmeg, but the eggnog all incorporated. So you're just gonna constantly stir with your spatula.
If somebody didn't like white chocolate, could they sub it for dark chocolate or milk chocolate or?
I mean, you could. That would be an interesting. Try it and let us know. I mean, yeah. I mean, you could sub it.
I think that would be pretty cool to try, dark chocolate truffle.
Yes, dark chocolate eggnog. Well, some of them we're gonna roll around in some dark cocoa powder.
Ah.
So that will kind of let you know.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's looking nice. And that's what, some people are afraid of a double boiler, but a double boiler is there to save you.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid of it, just use it. And like I said, this is easy. We're working on we got our big Christmas party in a few hours. We've got some other treats, but you know, this is something you can whip together. Everything we're doing today, you can whip in one day, in a few hours, and have an awesome Christmas party. Or you can make these the night before on Christmas Eve. Oh, these are so, Santa would want these instead of cookies.
Yes, he would.
But, so it's just starting to come together, as you can see. And so, you can see, oh, it's getting nice and smooth. And then to this, once we get it all smooth, we're gonna pour it out in a little pan, and then we're gonna put it in our cooler, although my double boiler is stuck.
Yeah, that looks nice and silky.
Ah, there you go. So, it's all come together, it's nice and smooth. And we're just going to, got a little square pan that will fit in our freezer. We're just gonna pour it out. Oh, look at that.
That looks good.
I'll tell you what. Truffles, a lot of people are intimidated by truffles. I don't know why. Because yes, working with chocolate can be difficult. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a chocolatier by any means, but some of the easy stuff like this, yeah, people will think you're a chocolatier, even though you're just making a nice simple little truffle. There we go. Turn off our double boiler. And while you're doing stuff, keep it on your double boiler to keep warm, because it'll make it a lot easier to clean up.
Yeah, nobody likes to clean up nasty pans.
Yeah, especially with hard chocolate. So, all right. Well, we have this, our nice little truffle mixture. So we're gonna come over here to our nice little blast chiller. And we're gonna throw it in here. All right. So while that's chilling, we're gonna make a nice little hot cocoa toddy. So we're gonna grab a little Bailey's, a little of our Jameson, and a coffee cup. Now, I'm gonna show y'all how to make one, but we made a big batch. So when we have people over here, they can grab a cup, pour them a little toddy, top it off with maybe some marshmallows or some whipped cream. But come on over here and I'll show you how to make this. This is really simple. I know, this is like the boozy episode apparently. So we got coffee maker. You don't have to use French press. Our big batch we did drip, but hey.
If you're making it for yourself, you might as well make it super good.
Yes. And now in our first cup, we got a really nice, this hot cocoa mix.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, it's a really good one. It's not the typical, brand, but you can use any of them. We've used the Walmart brand before to make this. So to the bottom of it, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon and a half, depending on how chocolatey you like it. And then we got our Bailey's and our Jameson. Now, I'm not gonna make it super strong, but you can add more booze if you want, but I still wanna be able to stand. So, I'm gonna do about 1 ounce of Jameson. And if you don't like Jameson, you can use any other whiskey you would like. And then we're gonna put about 1/2 ounce of Bailey's. And I need a little stir. And I like to get this mixed up with the cocoa, so when I add my hot water and everything, it all mixes really nice. Just stir that up. We're almost in it, and I'm telling you what, if you don't have a little electric kettle, you should get one. They are amazing.
They make heating water so much easier.
Yes, and like I'm almost up to coffee temperature. I put the lids on wrong. Maybe I've gotten into it a little bit.
Is this the first take of the coffee drink?
Ooh, I love French press coffee.
Me too.
And then typically just set it there, let it sit 3 minutes or so, but I don't have time for that.
It'll just be a lighter coffee.
Yeah, that's okay because it's supposed to be chocolatey. So you're gonna add your coffee. Ooh,
Ooh.
I really do love this drink. And you just stir it up and get it all mixed in there, get that hot cocoa mixed up, and the little coffee in gives that little bitter notes, but it also gives you a little jolt of caffeine. Ooh. That is it right there. And to finish it off, of course, we got some marshmallows. These are the fun little freeze-dried or dehydrated ones. Love them, especially. They remind you of the old cocoa packets back in the day.
They used to have the marshmallows inside.
Yeah, drop a few in there. And yes, I'm totally cheating. I didn't make whipped cream, but you could. But it's a party. Again, if you're hosting a party, make your life easy. People aren't gonna care if you whipped up fresh cream right there and there, or if you have the fun little, trust me, your party guests will like the little, whatever, aerosol ones. And of course, to finish it off,
Oh yes.
a little nutmeg. Cheers. Ah, that's good stuff.
How is it?
It's awful. You don't want any.
Okay, I won't try it. Yeah, I'm coming to try it.
Here you go.
I gotta try it.
I better get on camera.
Yeah.
You better-
Oh, goodness gracious, that's
See?
delicious.
It's a great evening party drink on a cold summer or cold winter. It's not summer, it's Christmas. Maybe I had too many. Oh,
I got one of those marshmallows. It's nice and
I love those. Well, we can't forget, still have truffles, so let's go check on our little truffles.
yeah.
And typically, you would put this in your fridge for 3 hours, freezer maybe 30 minutes, an hour. Okay, and yeah, they're good.
If we weren't, that would have sucked.
Yeah, that really would have. I'm gonna wear some gloves. So basically this mix, yeah, it's good. We made it a little earlier, not going to lie. It didn't just get that solid that fast.
We Julia Childs it.
That's right. So I have a little pan, grab another little spoon, and you're basically just gonna make little balls. Just set them out. Now,
Wow.
get some of these tops. Yeah. Just giving you an example. And that's pretty much there. Now there's a couple ways you can finish this off. Like I said, we're gonna be dousing them in a little cocoa powder. I have a little powdered sugar.
Ooh.
And if you want, you can go ahead and melt a little more chocolate if you want that little crunchy shell cover over it. But if not, simple, it's just
For the people that want the crunchy shell, do you just melt it or do you have to do anything special to
no,
it?
you just melt the chocolate as normal in your little double boiler, and then you dip it in with a fork,
And then
pull it
you're
out,
good to go.
set it off, and let that little crust harden.
Cool.
You can see. Yeah, it's a fun little thing. And if you want to, once you put your little crust or whatnot, you can take it, drizzle some of that chocolate over. I mean, you can be as creative as you want.
Yeah, if you have sprinkles or whatever.
Yeah. Do you want to try one of these guys?
Oh yeah. How was that?
Wow.
I'm gonna try this chocolate one right here.
Wow.
Ooh.
It's like eggnog. That little booze flavor. Man, I'm messy. It's perfect. Now that is
Wow.
Christmas in a bite.
No kidding.
Whoa. Well, they're definitely rich.
Yeah. Daggum.
That.
Try that with some of this coffee. Whoa. That goes beautifully together.
Oh, I bet. How's it with the dark chocolate on it?
Oh, it's really good. Because you get that little bit of chocolatiness with the nutmeg and the eggnog. Even I forgot what it was called.
How much Jameson did I put in here?
Must have been half a bottle or something.
Well,
But no, this is a great recipe. It's really not hard.
no, it's really not. And see,
I
you
think
just
people are afraid of double boilers for no reason.
no, and you just take it and you're gonna make balls with it.
Just keep making balls. You probably could even get one of those little scoopers.
Yeah, if you had a little ounce scoop or a tiny ice cream scoop, you could do that too.
Yeah.
We only have a big one, but you would want like a little half-ounce one, a little make your all, and you can make them all different sizes.
Yeah.
But yes, so
It's a great recipe.
it is. It's easy. I mean, you basically saw it done in real time, except for yes, we kind of fudged the chilling time.
Yeah, you know.
But yeah, so give this one a try. We're gonna finish up making all of them for our party. So we're gonna finish this, and this is the only one till party time.
Yeah, we can't have too many of these. It's
Yeah.
gonna get a little crazy if we do. But yeah, we've got some more recipes to do, and we gotta finish up these truffles.
That's exciting. All right, well, I hope you guys give this a try. They are very good. And remember to like, subscribe.
Comment, hit the little bell,
Yes.
you know. Check out
and
our
if you
website.
make them, let us know what you thought. These are
Seriously.
really fun and easy.
Yeah.
And they will take your party up about 5 notches.
Yeah.
Not
and if
even
you've-
1 notch.
And if
5.
you've been afraid of a double boiler, let this be inspiration to actually try it.
Yeah. And they're fun and it's easy. And white chocolate is a little more forgiving than like
the other chocolates.
darker
Yeah.
milk chocolate. So give it a try, guys. Till next time, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho.
Rolling.
Are you for real?
Yes.
The little lights on? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, uh-oh. What's one way to taste it?
Yes, it is.